Hi, I'm Sam. I'm a licensed esthetician and an educator with 7E Wellness, and today I'm going to be using my MyoLift QT to do a quick full face treatment. So you can see that I already have the app pulled up. I have my sessions menu open, and I'm going to scroll down until I see my quick full face. I'm going to hit play and sync up my device, so I'm just going to turn that on. So you'll see that blue light come on, and then it will sync up. So you're going to want to begin with clean skin. I've already cleansed my face, so I'm going to hit that next button. This is optional, but for me it makes a big difference. Take your Replenish Conductivity Spritzer and you can apply that on the skin. You can also take a hydrating serum like the 7E Anti-Aging Peptide Serum. Just 1 or 2 pumps and you can press that in. So this is going to be your baseline layer of hydration. Hydrated skin is always going to do a better job conducting microcurrent. These products also have conducting electrolyte ingredients like copper and zinc, which have additional benefits for the skin. Your next step is mandatory. You're going to want to take your conductivity treatment gel, so either the Restore or the Renew. I have the Renew here, which is the sensitive skin formula with lavender, geranium, and chamomile. I take about a quarter-sized amount, put that on the back of my hand, and I'm going to just apply that on the face and leave a little bit on my hand just in case I have to reapply later. And apply on the neck as well. And now we can begin our treatment. So I'm going to take my QT and we place and glide upwards. You'll notice now that I'm touching the skin, that conductivity bar is solid and green. That's how you know that the treatment is successful. So you don't want to feel any prickling. You don't want to feel discomfort from using this device. If you see that or you have any involuntary muscle twitching, then you're going to want to turn it to the low setting. Usually that will happen when the device is too high. So now we move to the center of the forehead. This sliding motion, you're going to want to repeat it about 5 times. You can do a little bit extra if this is an area of concern for you. If you feel like you've done enough, you can always hit that next button and just progress to the next movement. So we're releasing tension in the frontalis muscle. This is like a sheet of paper that covers the entire forehead. And so over time, it likes to get bunched up. And so we are smoothing and lengthening out any wrinkles that may have formed there, and we're preventing new ones. You'll notice when you look at waveform, it says stretch, and that's because this stretch waveform is the one that we've designed in order to release that tension in the muscles. So this is like your non-invasive Botox alternative. This is a great way to either avoid or delay more invasive treatments like Botox or even facelifts, threads, things that are maybe more costly or require downtime. So now we're stretching next to the eye. You may see little flashes of light when you do microcurrent near the eye. That's totally normal. It's nothing to worry about. Basically, we are smoothing out the orbicularis oculi muscle, which encircles the eye. This is where crow's feet like to form, and so we just want to smooth out any of those folds and prevent new ones. So you can work very close next to the eye. You can also work a little further out on the temple. You're just going upwards and smoothing that entire area. So now you'll see the waveform changes to lift. So we're going to glide and then we're going to hold the device in place. This is our second waveform. This one is tightening and toning the muscle. So you're going to slide and then you hold for 3 seconds, and you're going to repeat that 3 times. If this is an area of concern, then you can repeat up to 5 times. So in working on the neck, we're targeting a muscle called the platysma. It covers the entire front of the neck, kind of like a turtleneck. And so by treating it and tightening it up, you can really tone and define the neck, and you can treat any sagging or any loss of structure. You will notice we're avoiding the center of the neck where the thyroid is. So now we'll start at the jaw and then go up to the cheek and lift that cheek area. Every movement that you do, of course, you will repeat on the other side. Treatments like this with the QT are safe to perform on a daily basis. The nature of microcurrent is that it's cumulative. So the more often you do it, the better it will work, even though one treatment will yield often quite visible results. So now we're lifting closer to the middle of the face and picking up the apple of the cheek. On the way up, you want to catch the corner of the lip. And it really helps to lift that whole area, not only the cheek, but also the mouth. If you feel like you have a pronounced nasolabial fold, or if the corners of the mouth are feeling a little fallen or droopy, this is a great way to address that. So another thing you can do, if you feel the gel drying out a bit, you can take a little more of the mist and just reactivate that. So now you'll take the device and you'll run it along the jawline and you'll stop before the back. This is great for creating more definition. The platysma folds over this bone along the top edge. And so in tightening that, we can really tighten this whole jaw contour. So while you are doing microcurrent to tighten and to train all of these muscles, we're also getting the added benefit of increasing skin health. So you'll notice improved radiance, the texture and overall tone of the skin will improve, moisture retention improves, and on a cellular level, your skin is going to function better. So now we're starting next to the mouth and going diagonally upwards. This is tracing the cheekbone, and it's using the zygomaticus muscles. They basically run from mouth diagonally upwards, and so we're using them to pick up the face. This is another way to get that natural facelift effect. And then we take it and we slide under the eye. You may see little flashes here. That's totally normal. This is circulating stagnant fluid, helping with blood circulation, plumping under the eye. So this is great for tired eyes. This is great if you're feeling a little sallow, hollow, or even looking a little puffy, unnaturally so from stagnation. So now we're going to go along the eyebrow and pull upwards. This is going to be our final pair of movements, just to lift that brow. And you'll see I can go in either direction with the device. It makes no difference as long as both of the metal balls are touching the skin at once. And with that beep, our treatment comes to an end. After every treatment, you get a little survey check-in. Once you're done with that, you get some complimentary reward points that you can use towards future purchases, and you get a fun little skin fact. After having done your treatment, every 5 treatments, it will prompt you to take a picture. But otherwise, you'll want to remove the gel either with a gentle cleanser, water, or a towel. You'll want to then apply moisturizer. Any of your favorite skincare is good. After microcurrent, there's no downtime, and this is safe to do on a daily basis.